The way you're holding that's freaking me out. Alright. Welcome back to the metalfinisher.com. And today we are going to play the Blue Dog Blasting Trivia game. What's going to happen, Sean?
That's right, Kevin. So I'm going to ask you a series of questions, 6 to be exact. Going to see if you know the SKU numbers to some of the Blue Dog product. You get it right, you don't get shot. Get it wrong.
Alright, well stay tuned.
Alright, blasters, and welcome back to the Blue Dog Blasting Trivia. So, Kevin, are you ready to play the Blue Dog Blasting Trivia game?
I'm a little nervous, Sean, but I've been studying.
I would. So, getting right into it, let's go right into question number 1. On the Blue Dog Blasting website, what is the SKU number for the 50mm, aka the 2-inch, aka the contractor thread fan nozzle?
Oh, that's, I think, an easy one. Is that 12-302?
Oh, and he got it right!
Yay!
Oh, my finger's getting so itchy. Moving on to question number 2. On the Blue Dog Blasting website, we carry several RPB products. What is the SKU number for the RPB carry bag?
That one's an easy one because I've given out a whole bunch of these. That is 18-600.
Oh, and another one correct.
Yeah.
Alright, folks, he's going 2 for whatever now. So question number 3. Let's see how good he is. We carry a couple accessories for the electric dead man. What is the SKU number for the ball and chain for the electric dead man?
I think it's 14232.
Oh, that is so wrong.
Oh, you're not supposed to hit my face, Sean.
Oh, that is so wrong. So, let's move on to the next question. Another RPB question. You seem to be good at these. What is the SKU number for the C40 climate control device by RPB?
I think I should know this since I've sold a bunch of these and given a bunch away. Final answer is hamburger.
Oh!
Oh! Oh! All right, let's take a break.
Let's take a break and hear from our sponsors. Oh! 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 That is question number 4. You are now 2 for 4, 50% here on the show. Let's see what we can do with question number 5. Lucky for you, it's another RPB question. Another product that we've sold a ton of, a great little product called the RPB Leather Blasting Gloves. What is that SKU number, Kevin?
Oh, this was one I went over last night when I was studying. That is 07-701.
Very good, Mr. Kevin.
We only got one more, right?
Last question of the day, question number 6. This one's kind of a stumper for you, though.
Oh, come on, man.
We did a video on this not too long ago. A little 5-minute electric conversion. What was the SKU number of the electric conversion kit?
Oh, God. I'm not feeling confident in my answer, so I'm just going to go ahead and turn around. I don't think my front can take anymore.
Yeah.
I'll give it a guess.
Give it a shot.
Get out there and blast.
Oh!
Oh, fiddlesticks!
That's incorrect. That concludes our game show for today. So I'm going to go ahead and call the MS. Oh! 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 Well, all right, blasters. So that was a ton of fun. How about you guys? So thanks for playing with us. This has been the Blue Dog Blasting trivia game. Probably the first and only episode. HR has already talked to us. But, you know, gotta get a little bit of payback for some of the shenanigans Kevin's pulled around here. So, hope you guys enjoyed.
Enough talking.
Hope you enjoyed it.
Thanks for joining us again today at themetalfinisher.com. If you have any product or process reviews you'd like us to tackle, leave them in the comment section. What about Blue Dog?
Make sure you go over there, like the Facebook, subscribe to the YouTube, go over to the website, buy some stuff. Is that about it?
Get out and blast.
Get out and blast!
Get out and blast.
Get out and blast!
Yeah!
What you wanna